Oh,
Good morning. So today it's another day. It's Monday morning here in University of Makati in my cubicle. So sa araw na ito, syempre dahil first day, no? First Monday, so we will start our day by preparing our materials para sa subject natin, no? So as you could see, wala
wait lang.
pang tao ngayon dito kaya medyo okay pa, relax pa tayo, chill-chill lang tayo habang gagawa tayo ng ating materials. So while preparing our materials, syempre hindi mawawala pampa-energize natin, no? Kinakailangan natin ng coffee para mas masaya. So, this will be our activity for this early morning of January 26, no? That's January 26 na tayo, no? Ilang araw na lang tapos na naman ang ating January. So, andyan na muna, no? Until later on, no? My next episode for this day in of January. Stay tuned and thank you. Go!
Galing.